What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ZCASH. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price or the setups that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here we had like an absolutely perfect retest of this bullish order block, which is between levels 440 and 412. So from a current level, we are currently up around like 13% of that market. At the moment, I am honestly expecting that we are gonna take liquidity in this bearish order block and that we are gonna take liquidity above this previous important high, because we took liquidity under all of these previous important lows. Now it's time to take liquidity above. If this won't happen and we are gonna retest this bullish order block again, I am actually watching here a perfect setup, because if there will be a liquidity grab under with a support confirmation in this area, which means we will take liquidity under this and this previous important lows, then the long position can look exactly like this. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so the stop loss will be, let's say, around 6.5%, 6.6% of that market, and lasting profit targets you can place above this previous important high. So we will take liquidity under, and again we are gonna fill the range on the other side. So the potential move here, or like potential profit, is 62.8% of a net market, potential stop loss up to 6.6, risk reward ratio 9.49, and this is in my opinion really great setup. On the other hand, in a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take around this area, then some of the profits you want to take definitely under this bearish order block, and something, for example, around these previous important lows, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 6.5, 6.7, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great setup. And on ZCASH, this is honestly the main setup that I am currently watching. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. On the other hand, if there won't be any dump and we will go up from a current level, which is in my opinion still really probable scenario, then this is simply not a great area where to buy, because if you want to open a long position right now, you need to place your stop loss at least under this bullish order block, and still this is in my opinion not that great stop loss, because the risk reward ratio, if we will place the same take profit target, will be only 2.3 if you will take just one take profit target, and for a trade like this you want to take more. So in my opinion, opening a long position on the current level is not a great idea. The area where I would considering it will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation of this bearish order block. In this case, you want to place your stop loss just under this area, because if after that breakout and then support confirmation there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And last take profit targets, well, like, if you really believe in this coin, and I will tell you later, but in the long run I think this coin will go for much lower price. But if you want to jump into this coin, your last take profit targets, you can place it like under 1k, something like that, which is like absolutely crazy for ZCASH, because you can see for like several years nobody was interested in this coin. This coin was like complete dead, and right now all of a sudden we are having year pump on of like 2.5k of a net market. This is like completely insane. But if you want, this is a setup that you can take. Again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits under this high or like slightly above, under this current all-time high, under 800, 900, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 5, 4.8, something like that, which is another really great setup that you can take. And let's now be kinda skeptical, because if we will take a look on like a weekly or a daily time frame, you can see this pump came all of a sudden like this project is known for many years, and for many years this was like completely dead. So you can see, if we are on a weekly time frame, you can see, for example, from this low to this level, this coin was doing nothing for 1204 days. This is like completely crazy. And then all of a sudden we had here this pump. I know that some big players were promoting this coin, but in my opinion, completely honestly, in the long run, once the alt season will stop, because like, for example, this coin is like proof that right now we are in an alt season. This is kind of different alt season because not all of the coins are pumping, and I think that's like altcoins will pump, but only specific type of altcoins. It's not gonna be anymore that everything you will buy will pump like 500%. I think this is over. Like, the money is kind of smarter now, but still pretty great chance to make some serious money. But anyway, in the long run, I think we will get back to like these lower prices. So this coin can do another pump, we can hit like 1k, maybe 2k, something like that. But once the bear market will hit, I think in the upcoming years we will be back on like these lower levels. So in my opinion, the best strategy is to wait here for a perfect setup, buy this, use proper risk management, use proper stop loss, and do not buy it into your like long-term spot portfolio. And if you, for example, didn't believe in this coin on like these lower levels, why would you buy it here? This is like complete nonsense. And if you, for example, believed in this coin and you bought it on like these lower levels, huge congratulations. You are like really great. But I think most of the people heard about this coin once there was like this insane pump. So I guess this will be all from me for today. Be careful. These were I think the only setups that I'm currently watching here. I think the only setups that are possible to take here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab and then a support confirmation, or breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area. These are like the two main setups that I'm watching. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. And thank you so much for the support, guys. See ya.